guys, it's LBB, Little Rising here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a package we are going to be opening. I just tore off the little tape and I wanted to do a video, so here we go. We're gonna open it up. I don't know what game it is. We ordered a couple different games, but let's see what it is. Okay, we're opening it. I'm gonna close my eyes. There's bubble wrap. Let me see. Oh snap! There we go. And we're gonna open it up. Oh my! Alright, guys, we got the Scott Pilgrim collector's edition box. We've been waiting for this game for like 6 months, and it finally came. I didn't even know this was coming. Okay, and then they got us a little card. Let me see if you can see. Okay, this game is a beat 'em up. It's based off of the movie Scott Pilgrim, and this is, whoa, we didn't even expect it. We were waiting for like 6 months, and it's finally here. Whoa, me and my pa are super excited. Oh, sorry, the flash. Me and my pa are super excited to play this. And then on the back, I will show you the back right here. Sorry, the glare, I'm sorry. So here it is. There you go, that's a good angle. Scott Pilgrim, and it's a beat 'em up. I'm super excited. And just because we didn't spend an extra $1 or $2, they didn't give us the limited run box. But it's alright. This is sick. It's the complete edition. And it can go up to 4 players. Me and my partner are super excited to play it. And let me give you the back so you can say, defeat the League of Evil Exes. Okay, if you watch the movie, then you would know. Favorite character. Okay. Hello. Alright guys, but that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, I wanted to do is a quick skit just opening the Scott Pilgrim box. I was so excited to not know that was coming. We've been waiting for quite a while for it to come. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have this game, if you've seen it, or if you've seen that movie. And subscribe. It really supports the channel. And I have a goal. By the time summer is over, I should have said this in the beginning of summer, but I don't know what I was doing. I was lacking. My goal is by the end of the summer to have 113 subscribers. We have 92 subscribers, so make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to support my channel. But until next time, peace.